Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ude, and if today is your first time or seeing my video, then you are welcome. In this video, we are going to be cooking a simple, delicious Nigerian EGUSI soup. Let's get started.
Melon, okay? We're going to be using smoked turkey. We're going to be adding other meat as we continue. I'll be introducing my other ingredients. I'm going to be adding some onions. If you want to make a traditional Nigerian soup, you don't need too much onions in your soup, or it will overwhelm the soup and start tasting like stew. Okay, so I'm not going to season the turkey because this turkey is filled with salt. Okay, for preservation they used a lot of salt, so I'm not going to be adding salt. Let's start cooking. All right, I'm going to add oil. I removed the turkey meat so that it doesn't overcook. Okay, allow it for 2 minutes. I'm going to add my ground egusi. Let's mix it up. Our soup is going to be delicious. Trust me. Add our pepper blend, the crayfish. Cover the pot and let the egusi cook properly. All right, so we're going to season with salt and bouillon. So I love this consistency. Okay, the egusi is properly cooked. I don't want it thicker than this. Add our protein back. So I'm using spinach. Let's cover it and let it wilt. So let's see. Yeah. And mix it up right now. So this soup is ready. I'm gonna turn off the stove, okay? And our soup is ready. So today we prepared a delicious egusi soup and it's ready. Egusi soup is for fufu. You can also use it for rice. All right, it's delicious, as you can see, very tasty with smoked turkey. We have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share this video, comment, and I will be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye, and may God bless you.